Yeah. Now we are last session, concluding session, and I am happy to share with you our Dean Research and Consultancy, Professor R.V. Sharma, also joined with us, and Professor Jikos, who is the chief guest of today validatory session, he is also joined with us. And now I will open for feedback to participant. If anyone have say something, please. Any participant who want to say anything about the workshop, any advice or what's their opinion, you will welcome.
Good evening to all. So that during this pandemic situation, this workshop has been done, and that all sessions are wonderful and very informative, and
yeah,
home, and they are getting very good information. So that's very good thing. All the session, one or two session I couldn't attended due to my work, and but even then, whatever the session I have attended, it was very nice session, and it was well organized session. Thank you.
thanks, Dr. Kanchan Lata. He is from VIT Bhopal, and she was sharing her experience. Now, anyone, please say something, because it's very good for organizers. You will motivate towards your words, whatever you are saying, so that we will continue.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I would like to congratulate NIT Jamshedpur for the wonderful session you have conducted for this 3-day workshop. It was really wonderful. Although I am not from the computer science or image processing background, but I have got the overall gist how and what is going on in the world, and what are the various technologies, how things are going on. So it really gives an insight into the working and how. And one thing I would like to tell you for the next session is that please add some more time in between the two sessions, because as we are very new to many of us are very new to this subject of image processing and machine vision. So to gather and assimilate all those things, it is a bit difficult for us. So overall, it was a very wonderful session. Thank you for your efforts.
Thanks, Faizan, for your kind word. And really, it's now I also, after looking the gathering and their profile, your advice is really very good. I also think with the continuity among the speakers, it's very difficult to switch from one mode to another. So we will really consider next year, whenever we are going to MB 2021, we must consider your advice. Thank you. Anyone?
Hello.
Yeah.
Congratulations, sir, on behalf of NIT Jamshedpur. Because of your dedication, you have made this section successful. And today, what I have learned from Sagar in a very short period of time, he explained in such a good manner that it was really unbelievable. And thank you so much. And once again, many congratulations to you, Azad sir, and all the members of NIT Jamshedpur who are connected in this organization for the machine vision. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks, Ravi. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, Surendran, sir. Tell me.
Very warm good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Nice experience to have such a wonderful lecture that has been organized
Yeah.
by you and your team.
Yeah.
I would like to join many more in the forthcoming days.
Good.
Hello.
Yeah, you are
Yes, sir, you are
audible.
welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would like to join many more such things in the future. And it's my heartfelt congratulations to all of you.
Yeah. Thank you,
very
Surya.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
He is Surya Narayan from Saint Xavier, Ranchi. Yeah, welcome. Next, anyone?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anyone have a specific suggestion? We will also welcome to and try to incorporate in next year.
Yeah, Ashutosh, tell.
Hello.
Yeah, Asutosh.
Yes, this is Ashutosh Kumar from MTech Computer Science, NIT Jamshedpur. Sir, thank you very much for organizing such an event, and I am thankful to all the speakers for enlightening us with such a trend of machine vision. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Jabbar.
Sir, I am
Yeah,
Dr.
yeah.
S. Abdul Jabbar.
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, I am from Maulana Azad National Urdu University from the Department of Education,
Yeah.
Hyderabad. It's very wonderful, very amazing sessions you have had, sir.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, your organization is wonderful. You have we have had wonderful seminars and other things, but this is especially very well. And thank you for giving opportunities, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks, Dr. Jabbar. Really, your all words will encourage us to organize this type of event in next year also. So
Thank you, sir.
now-
Thank you.
Yeah. Now you are. I think we have to close this and tell to with us our dean, Professor R.V. Sharma sir. He will give his opinion. Then we will go for today's chief guest, Professor Jikos. He is a special love towards India and towards this workshop. It really encourages us. He joined all the almost all the sessions. Or anyone? Yeah, so Professor R.V. Sharma sir, please.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, good evening to all of you. And Professor George K. Jokos, the coordinators of this workshop, Dr. K.K. Singh and Dr. C.S. Azad, and the dear participants, on my personal behalf, as a Dean Research and Consultancy, I congratulate the coordinators for organizing this workshop under this pandemic situation as an online workshop on machine vision. This machine vision workshop must have been very useful because nowadays the focus is on this artificial intelligence, machine vision. So this workshop must have been very beneficial to all the participants, and I hope that they will use this knowledge for their further endeavor in the research. And thanks to all the speakers for their lectures, important lectures they have engaged. So thank you all, and wish you all the best in future. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thanks for that. Now I will ask Professor George, please share your feedback and say something so that we will encourage to work towards this topic, this area. Professor George.
Yes. Thank you very much, Dr. Singh. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Singh, Dr. Azad, Dr. Sharma for the kind invitation to join this workshop, which is like a mini conference. This was a unique experience to see and interact with a number of distinguished colleagues from the wonderful India. One point important to emphasize is the impact of imaging in the daily, in our daily life, in several factors. For example, we have, when we say imaging or machine vision, it encompasses different technologies together, integration of technologies, which starts from the detection process, image formation, image acquisition, pre-processing, processing, post-processing, and lately we have the classification with machine learning and deep learning, artificial intelligence. So we see we have a chain of a processing engine. All these areas must be viewed as a single area. The mistake that we often do is that we focus on a specific chain, part of the chain, we focus in that, and we overlook the physics, we overlook the engineering. As a result, the integration is not so successful when we're going to look at the final result. It's very important to integrate multi-components, disciplinary components in imaging, because imaging to computer vision is a multidisciplinary science. Some people, they say art, some people, they say science, but this is a multidisciplinary science. And also, let's emphasize that part of the machine vision is not only the imaging part, it's also the computer graphics part.
Yeah.
Imaging, you go, you analyze an image. Computer graphics, you synthesize an image. And you see recently, these two disciplines, they interface together. You go to the MRI, for example, you take an MRI image, you see they try to fuse part of the image with the computer graphics part to highlight a specific, to give emphasis on a specific part of the image. So computer vision or machine vision is an enormous discipline. And this workshop at least was very successful to diversify its efforts in areas that encompasses algorithms and visualization algorithms and simulations, in imaging concepts, in bioinformatics and biodiagnostics, with emphasis on cancer, image processing, image reconstruction. So it has been a wonderful event. I would like to finish to few words. I'm planning next year to have a specific, I'm writing a book on the imaging, on how relates machine learning and artificial intelligence to the imaging, different areas. So Dr. Singh will bring this information to your attention in case you think that part of this event may fit as an effort, as a book chapter on the whole, or two, on the whole writing editorial efforts. I hope to be a continuation on this event and to have other wonderful events. Truly, again, I would like to thank by heart the organizing committee and the distinguished colleagues that I had the honor to participate together in this venue. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor George, for encouraging us word. Now this is the last vote of thanks, I have to, one thing I conclude before conclusion, we have organized total 12 sessions. And all over, I think 4 speakers are from out of India. We have some speakers. So I would like, on behalf of entire organizing committee of MB 2020, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our dear director, Sir Professor K.K. Shukla, whose presence and throughout support in organizing this event except as a moral booster for each of us. I would also like to give a special thanks to speakers, Professor George, Professor Anand Madhubishi, Professor S.D. Roy, who agreed to deliver a lecture within such a short span of time. And our guest of honors, Professor Gadre, on the day of inauguration, today his session was also extraordinary, which incredible session was permanent source of information. I would like to also mention my supervisor, Professor Dr. Manish Kumar Bajpayee. The main, whatever we are doing, the concept given by him is really important, as he extend his throughout support in conceptualizing the workshop. Dear Professor R.V. Sharma, the Dean of Research and Consultancy, our head of Department Computer Science, Rasmi Sinha, without your help, I would not able to be successfully in managing this event. So huge thanks to both of you. This event will never have been successful without the continuous effort of the participants. It really kept our momentum very high. Last but certainly not the least, I express my gratitude to all the members and supportive staff of organizing team, our PhD scholars, MTech scholars, my graduate students. We got good media coverage from the Jamshedpur. My students worked increasingly to make this event great success. Thank you all, and I would like to a special thanks to all the participants, because in 10 to 15 days we have 16 registered participants. And one thing, I will send e-copy of certificate to everyone. And again, I am very happy. MB 2021, we will not decided if pandemic will be good. Then again, we will 2021. We will meet at another place. Hopefully, IIIT Jabalpur or IIT Indore. In next year, 2021, we will again meet. Thank you all. Now, thank you to Professor George. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. George. Professor George, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank you.
to see
Thank
you
you.
again.
Thank you, Professor George.
Yeah.
My honor. My honor.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Yeah, yeah.
Very
Thank you,
honor.
sir. Thanks
Thank
a
you,
lot.
Professor George.
Thank you.
Thanks, Professor George.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Okay, sir. See you, sir.
Bye.